Figured out? You had it a minute ago. There you go. He likes to watch it on the back. I don't know why. He usually turns it over and watches the lights from the back. Yeah. You do.